This lever is used to control all windshield wiper and washer functions. To set the rain-sensing auto wiper system, push the lever down to the auto position. The wiper will sweep once. To increase or decrease the sensitivity of the rain sensor, rotate this knob. Be aware that even if it starts to rain, the wipers may not begin to function if rain is not directly hitting the rain sensor. To turn the system off, push the lever up to this position. Push the lever down to the second stop for continuous low-speed operation or down to the third stop for continuous high-speed operation. In conditions of mist or light rain, push the lever up to mist and you'll get a one-sweep operation of the wipers. To clean the windshield, pull the lever toward you and hold. Your vehicle is equipped with a splash-free wiper system. Washer fluid sprays from the wiper arm directly onto the windshield to maintain better visibility during windshield cleaning and conserves washer fluid. Your vehicle is equipped with a windshield wiper de-icer. Push this switch to activate it, and the indicator will illuminate. The de-icer will operate for up to 10 minutes, then turn off automatically. To turn it off manually, push the switch again. Your vehicle is equipped with a headlight cleaner that will operate when the vehicle is on and the headlights are illuminated. Pulling this lever will clean the headlights on the first operation and every 10th operation after that. You can also pull and hold the lever for a period of time to clean the headlights anytime the headlights are on. To operate your rear windshield wiper at a preset intermittent speed, turn the knob on the end of the lever to this position. For continuous operation, turn this knob to this position. Turn the knob to the off position to turn the rear windshield wiper off. To clean the rear window, push this lever forward. Washer fluid will spray, and the wiper will automatically sweep several times and stop. When the windshield wiper switch is in the auto position, moving the shift lever to the reverse position will operate the rear window wiper. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.